Hey, Lisa. How's it going?
Hey there, I'm doing well. What about you?
I heard you're taking up a new hobby.
Yeah, I've taken up painting. It helps me relax.
That sounds awesome. Can you show me your latest work?
Sure, let's head over to my place.
Your apartment looks nice and cozy.
Thanks, I've been redecorating it recently.
I can tell. It looks much better than before.
Make yourself comfortable. I'll get the paintings.
I love the colors you've used in this one.
I'm trying to experiment with different styles.
Have you thought about selling your art?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it, but it's a big step.
You should definitely consider it. Your work is impressive.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Of course, you're really talented.
I appreciate your kind words.
So, what else is new in your life?
I started working out regularly.
That's fantastic. I've been meaning to exercise more too.
I joined a gym near my office.
How's it going? Do you like it?
I do. I feel more energetic and healthier.
I might join you at the gym sometime.
That would be great. We can be workout buddies.
It's a deal. We'll motivate each other.
By the way, how's your job at the new company?
It's been challenging, but I'm learning a lot.
That's the spirit. Keep pushing yourself.
We should plan a weekend getaway soon.
I'm in. Let's escape the city for a bit.
I'll check for some great vacation deals.
Speaking of which, remember our last trip to the beach?
How could I forget? It was so much fun.
Let's recreate those memories.
We'll need to book a beachfront cabin.
I'll take care of the reservations.
You're the best, Lisa.
It's always a blast hanging out with you.
Same here. Here's to many more adventures.
Cheers to that, my friend.